Hey there, welcome back to the #1 YouTube channel to become rich. Today we're going to talk about something exciting. Side hustles that can help you earn $500 a day. Yes, you heard it right, $500 a day. If you're looking to boost your income, save for that dream vacation, or pay off some bills, these side hustles might be just what you need. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Now let's get into it. Side Hustle 1, freelancing. First up, freelancing. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or even a social media guru, freelancing is a fantastic way to use your skills to make money. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients and start earning cash. You can easily make $500 a day or more, depending on your skills and experience. Side Hustle 2, online tutoring host. Side hustle number 2 is online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can teach it online. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Wayzant make it simple to connect with students around the world. Whether it's math, science, language, or music lessons, you can make a solid income by helping others learn. Side Hustle 3, dropshipping. Our next side hustle is dropshipping. With this business model, you sell products online without holding any inventory. You source products from suppliers and only purchase them when you make a sale. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up your online store. The potential for profit is vast, and with dedication and the right marketing strategy, you can easily earn $500 a day or more. Side Hustle 4, affiliate marketing. Side hustle number 4 is affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a significant online presence, you can make money by promoting other people's products or services. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The key is to create valuable content and drive traffic to your website or social media channels. Side Hustle 5, gig economy jobs. Last but not least, the gig economy offers a wide range of opportunities. Whether it's food delivery, ride-sharing, or odd jobs through platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or TaskRabbit, there are various gig economy jobs that can help you reach that $500 a day mark. The flexibility and potential for higher earnings during peak times make this a popular choice. There you have it, 5 fantastic side hustles that can help you make $500 a day or more. Keep in mind that success in any side hustle requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to adapt. It may take some time to reach the $500 a day goal, but with persistence, it's absolutely achievable. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends who might also be interested in boosting their income. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips and lifestyle content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.